I'm Matt, and we're going to show you how to assemble the Octagon from Carbonized PDR. So we'll do a little bit of unpackaging, show you all the pieces that come with your Octagon table. So this is how you're going to receive it. Now it will be wrapped up, but this will show you all the pieces that come in it, and that's it. Okay, so the first step is you're going to grab your four corners for your cart. Pop the tops off. And then you will grab your bars. There is a little groove right there, so they only fit one way. You can't get it wrong. Put it in there. Pop that into place. So one thing to watch, you always want these points towards the corners for the two pieces that hold the cart. So now you'll want to attach the top pieces to the corners. They're magnetized, so they just snap into place. And then you'll tighten the screw just for extra support. So after you have tightened your corner pieces, you're going to get your leg supports. And like that. All right. We'll just tighten these guys up. Now you get your soft tray. You lay it over. You'll notice the angle that we're at so that you have clearance for your supports. I'm going to flip it over. Grab your wheels, pop them into place. And then we're back over. So your bottom base is basically ready to go. Get your poles. Now notice that these are reverse thread. next pole. After your legs are in, you'll notice that these are extra supports. You'll want the fasteners facing inside. You don't have to worry so much about it being loose. We're going to attach these two tubes like so, and then we're going to add your trays for your long tools. And now we'll put on the top. So now we'll get the top tray. And we'll put it on here. And then attach your supports. Like so. Slide this guy up. And then attach your supports. Like so. Slide this guy up. These are reverse thread, and then we'll just tighten up the bottom. Now, depending on which generation table you get, there will be either one bolt or two bolts. So if you've ordered a couple accessories, this is the carbonized bat belt, and this is the glue tray. So I'll show you quickly how to put these on. Super quick and easy. Installed. And then we have the carbonized glue tray as an accessory for your Octagon cart. If you've ordered this after the fact, you'll have to remove this nut. If you order the tray with the cart, then it won't come with the extra nut. So it's magnetized. You'll notice that it's easy to spin, but good and strong. Each tray will come with 6 hooks that you can put wherever it works for you. So I'll just put them in random spots. So slide hammer, hammer, rags, whatever you need. These are pretty strong, and we'll be able to hold that up, and we'll show you in a second. So just to show you the operation of the bat belt, grab this here. Pretty simple. It's magnetized. They're good, strong magnets. You'll notice why these are on for long tools. The silicone pad down there. Now for the glue tray, this is a pretty heavy duty slide hammer. You can put it there. You can put it there. You can put the hammer there. Whatever you feel like doing, whatever works for you. That's why all of these are movable, and 2 of these hooks are a little bit different than the other 4. So that way, if you need something a little bit different, you can do so. So there's the carbonized glue gun. This is a prototype. It will be coming out soon. It'll work well with your glue tray. One of the nice things about the glue gun is that it has a battery on board, a chargeable battery. It's removable once it's unplugged. And the other nice thing is that if you have a glue gun failure, which happens quite a bit, all of these pieces you don't have to replace. You just have to replace your glue gun, which is just velcroed into place. So you get your new one, attach it in there, get your battery, boom, ready to go. The other nice thing about the carbonized Octagon tool cart is that the way how it's designed and continuing to be designed There's going to be add-ons and accessories that will come out over time. The glue gun is an example of that, but there will be other accessories that will make the cart work even better. But even as it stands, the cart works great. It's super light. So keep on the lookout on the website, and you'll notice more stuff to add to your cart.